Yes sir, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are gonna be working on the timing chain cover. Timing chain cover, yeah. We're gonna be working on the timing chain cover, and we also have a new crank pulley that we gotta put on today. So no more talking, man. Let's get to the video. We got the valve cover right here. We gotta clean it up. We also removed this seal here. So we got a brand new one to put on. This is a part number. If it focus, come on, bro, focus. So we're gonna put this one on. Obviously, clean it up, make it look good and all that. And we'll also have balance. Crank. This is the unboxing for you guys. Thing's pretty beefy. Damn, thing is heavy. Alright, let me unpack it for you guys real quick. Check it out. I'm gonna say, guys, this probably weights, I think, about like 20 pounds. There is the top dead center. There's a little line that says TDC, so I'm guessing that's what it stands for, top dead center, right? I hope so. But yeah, we're gonna put this one on. After, you know, we're gonna put the valve cover first, then throw this one on as well. And we got also, you know, we gotta make it look a little decent. So it's all labeled and everything. So it's all the hardware. You know, as usual, bros, we can do all this talking and talk, but here we like to take action. So let's get it. We're gonna throw a little bit of brake cleaner. Try to keep it as flat as possible. There's still some Honda bond from when I removed it. Alright guys, so we're gonna be installing the cam trigger. This is the stock one, and as you can see, this part right here, let me take this off real quick. Alright, so you guys can see, we go right here and just slide on, right? And this is the new one. So it no longer has the little dowel part coming out right here, but it's going up. Let me see if I can put it right next to each other. See that? So this one has a little hole, and this one actually comes down. So it's gonna go here. It's gonna go right here. Sure, it's right in the middle. And what keeps it in place is this little part here. So yeah, we're just gonna push this, line it up with this little tunnel here, this opening. We're gonna push it all the way back and make sure it's lined up, the parts there. Then this key right here. Just gonna put it straight in, and we're just gonna put it all the way back so that it hits. See, I'm gonna slide it up a little back. Even I'm gonna put this one back a little bit and see if I can get a shot of it so that you guys can actually see where it goes all the way to the back. So you see it going back, see the key going back, and right there where it hits, pretty much. But yep, right there. We got that all set up, and now we can actually put the timing cover on, and that's what we're gonna do next. So I gotta sit it over here. We gotta put this one here, and then also have, let's see, it's probably, here it is. This one goes in here. Then we're gonna put some Honda Bond, and then we're gonna set it up over there. And obviously we're gonna dress it up a little bit, make it look good with this hardware, and let's get it. All right guys, so we're gonna put the seals first. Just gonna put a little bit of oil on the side so you can just go in. We're gonna grab a little bit, and we're gonna smear it off all around here. Just if you can, just try to go take any left from in here, the axis from inside the edges. That way you have less of a chance. So now we have that ready. We have our timing chain cover hardware. So all the hardware is here, plus all the washers. Come over here and line it up. I wish I had done a better job in this, but I couldn't remove all this crap. I brushed it off and everything, but it did not come up. So yeah, after that I had no idea what else to do. Now guys, we're gonna torque this down to 8.7 foot-pounds. .7. Voila! So we are also be installing this baby right here. Okay, and it's gonna go right there. So there's really no getting this wrong, because as you guys can see, this little opening right here, it's gotta line up right there where the key is at. Right there. There's no way you could get this wrong, but I have heard that it's a little bit difficult to get it on. So we're gonna try that out today and see how it goes, man. So, according to this, just have to line it up. But it would seem like it doesn't fit. Right there is like lined up. I guess I gotta hit it up with the rubber mount. You see it from up here? You guys see that little key right there? It's like perfectly lined up in here. I don't know if you, can you see it? Right there. So that's where it should go. And it needs a little bit of pushing, needs a little bit of help to get all the way in there. So that's what we're gonna do right now. The rubber mallet, we're gonna help it go in. You're gonna tap it a little bit. It's like right now, it seems like it's all the way in. So you can no longer see that little key no more. Okay guys, so according to Honda, we gotta torque this down to 36 foot-pounds. And then we gotta do a 90-degree torque down on it. I don't know what the outcome of that is gonna be in total of foot-pounds, but I guess we're gonna follow what Honda says. Okay guys, so we're gonna do the 36 foot-pounds. So right now we're at 36. And then we're supposed to do 90 degrees angle. Okay guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.